Welcome to a weekend of creativity, learning, and serious filmmaking energy. This is the 2-day free and practical cinematography workshop, proudly powered by Criptonx Studios. Over 2 packed days, young and passionate creatives came together to explore the art of visual storytelling up close, hands-on, and in real time. From mastering camera movements to understanding how lighting transforms your shots, this workshop was all about learning.
You know who made it.
Every session was designed to be interactive and engaging. Participants didn't just watch, they practiced, experimented, and built confidence behind the lens. It wasn't just about the technical skills, it was also about community, connection, and sparking ideas together. Throughout the workshop, participants got to ask questions, share challenges, and get real-world answers from working professionals. And the best part? The energy, the passion, the feeling that you're part of something bigger. At Criptonx Studios, we believe in unlocking creative potentials, and this is just the beginning.
I'm a cinematographer and a drone pilot, and I'm live at Criptonx Studios for their 2-day training, and trust me, it was awesome. I had lots and lots to learn about the aperture, about contrast, and many other things. I can't wait to explore.
I mean, it's been awesome, right? For someone who has been in the media for the past 18 years and you want to develop and grow your business, there's need for you to find a way to upscale, and then doing so is by, attending trainings like this. So you don't become a novice. As a boss, you need to have an idea of what happens in different departments. So coming for this training will really help me, to understand some of the basics. Like when I tell my people, this is how I want it. So I know what I want as the boss. So it's not like they're going to toss me around. So I know what I want. I'll tell them this is what I want us to achieve. So this training has been able to help me to achieve that. Progressively.
I thought I knew some things. I've learned a lot of things today, and I am really grateful to Criptonx Studio for putting this into work. Thank you very much.
I'm glad for this training because it's an experience that some of us have not had. It's an experience that some of us have not had, and this is an opportunity to learn more about filmmaking, about composition, about so many things that makes your shot different from an amateur.
I really learned a lot. I learned about the 4 triangles of camera. I learned different cameras, different type of camera we have, and the whole contrast. And one key point I learned was the rule of third. Yes, I just learned about rule of third, and it's really making sense. So thank you so much, Criptonx, for this platform. You really are helping a lot of people, and I'm really enlightened. Thank you very much.
My name is Engineer Dr. Tassi Wininda, aka Tombobele, to Criptonx Studio. I want to say thank you. Thank you for all you do in Lagos, Nigeria. We love you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so for Criptonx Studios, 2 days free and practical cinematography training. Everyone say guitar.